Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full review of a car that's been making quiet waves in the midsize crossover SUV market, the 2025 Citroen C5. It's a model that blends French design flair with everyday practicality and a tech-savvy interior, and we're going to break it down in every possible detail. So whether you're already a fan of Citroen or just curious about this under-the-radar contender, stick around. Let's start with the first thing anyone notices about a car, the exterior. From the front, the 2025 Citroen C5 greets you with a bold, modern expression. The signature V-shaped LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the flowing grille, which features a glossy black finish intersected by fine chrome lines. The double chevron badge is proudly positioned right at the center, subtly extending into the lighting design, a touch that adds sophistication without shouting for attention. The front bumper is sculpted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, and there's a nice contrast created by matte black cladding that wraps around the lower section, giving the car a slightly rugged edge. Moving to the side profile, the design becomes more dynamic. The sleek character lines give the C5 a sense of forward motion even when it's parked. It's got a coupe-like silhouette thanks to the gently sloping roofline, yet it retains the practicality of a crossover. The large alloy wheels, available up to 19 inches, fill the wheel arches well, and subtle chrome accents around the windows and lower doors add a premium touch. Citroen also offers a range of two-tone paint options with a contrasting roof, giving buyers some fun personalization choices. At the rear, the C5 keeps the design language consistent and tasteful. The taillights mirror the front design with their horizontal layout and LED signature, connected by a slim black trim piece that adds visual width. The bumper is clean, integrating reflectors and a hint of a skid plate design, hinting at its crossover capabilities. There's no fake exhaust trim here, which is a nice break from current trends. Everything looks thoughtfully proportioned, and the rear hatch opens wide to reveal a generous boot, something we'll touch on again when we step inside. Inside, the 2025 Citroen C5 really comes into its own. Citroen's focus on comfort is clear the moment you sit down. The seats, fitted with advanced comfort technology, are supportive and cushiony, perfect for long drives or city commutes. Materials have seen an upgrade for 2025, with soft touch surfaces dominating the dashboard and doors, contrasted with textured inserts and brushed metallic trims. Front and center is a new 12-inch digital instrument cluster that's both sharp and highly customizable. To the right, you've got a crisp 10-inch infotainment screen mounted slightly higher for easy visibility. It runs Citroen's latest interface, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with navigation, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. The touch response is quick, and physical shortcuts remain below the screen for climate controls, a smart mix of digital and analog usability. Rear seat space is generous, with ample legroom and headroom for adults, even under that sloping roof. The rear bench is well padded, and the flat floor means the middle passenger won't be too cramped. USB-C ports and rear vents make the back seats more practical, and the rear windows are large enough to keep things feeling open and airy. Luggage capacity sits comfortably above average for its class, with a flat loading floor and adjustable boot floor height. On the road, the 2025 Citroen C5 focuses more on comfort than sporty performance, and that's absolutely intentional. It comes with a choice of petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid options depending on your market. The plug-in hybrid is especially notable, offering up to 50 kilometers of electric-only range, ideal for urban commutes. The petrol variant we tested delivered smooth acceleration and a refined ride, mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox that shifts effortlessly. One of the highlights here is the suspension system. Citroen's progressive hydraulic cushions deliver an ultra-smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections with a grace that many rivals simply can't match. It's not built for aggressive cornering, but it maintains composure and a reassuring level of grip. Noise insulation has also been improved. Wind and road noise are well contained, making the cabin feel calm and premium even at highway speeds. Pricing for the 2025 Citroen C5 will vary by region and spec, but generally, it starts at a competitive point in the segment. Entry-level models offer great value with essential features included, while higher trims pack in luxury appointments, a panoramic sunroof, upgraded sound systems, and the full suite of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and 360-degree parking cameras. Citroen is clearly aiming to offer a lot for the money, and in many ways, it succeeds. If you're considering the C5, here's our suggestion. If comfort, style, and value are high on your list, this is a car that should definitely be in the running. It may not have the most powerful engine lineup or the sharpest handling, but it plays to its strengths well. The plug-in hybrid version is particularly attractive if you want to save on fuel and still have the flexibility of a combustion engine. Just make sure to test drive all available trims to find your ideal balance of features and performance. So, what's the final word on the 2025 Citroen C5? It's a vehicle that embraces the French philosophy of driving comfort, delivering a soft, stylish, and spacious experience without trying to be something it's not. It's not chasing sportiness or flash, instead, it's confident in its identity. If that sounds like your kind of ride, the C5 might just surprise you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Citroen C5, and if there's another car you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.